While the Corvette has always been a popular vehicle, recent shortages have sent costs into overdrive, with dealers spotted jacking prices of 2021 C8 models by as much as $99,000 over the MSRP. Consider then how you'd feel if you paid this insane markup and then foiled your driving plans simply by installing a common aftermarket device. According to a recent technical bulletin issued by GM, a conflict has been discovered within Corvette C8s that have been outfitted with hardwired radar detection devices, and the results are a little creepy. GM says that installing a hardwired radar detector may be sending too much voltage to the driver's outside mirror, which is essentially frying the defrosting system contained within. GM's bulletin describes the results of one recent incident as creating, quote, a poor operation and appearance, including numerous lines shown in the mirror and a dim reflection at all times. CNet's Roadshow describes the aforementioned random line patterns on the ruined mirrors as resembling, quote, digital worms that are, quote, disturbing and horrifying. Perhaps more horrifying for your pocketbook anyway is that a dealer won't cover this repair under warranty, the risk that comes with aftermarket modifications. And there's no fix. GM recommends technicians who see the horrifying worms disconnect the jumper harness that was added to the interior rearview mirror's X1 connector to power the radar detector. Besides this, the only thing to do is replace the mirror outright and slow down, because a disconnected radar detector won't be much help spotting the next speed trap, though your fresh new dewormed mirrors might. I'm Nolan Beilstein, and this is IN Now.